This section is on rate. So rate compares two quantities that have different units of measurement. So the example here would be 20 miles in 4 hours. So you could write it as 20 miles, fraction bar, in 4 hours. This is considered a rate because the different units of measure for this case would be miles and hours. Another example would be $1.29 for 12 ounces. So what would be your two units of measurement that you would have here? You would have money, or price, better if we say price, and then the unit also would be ounces. So when the comparison is to one unit, which means the denominator is 1, that is called a unit rate. And the way you get a unit rate is you divide both terms by the denominator to find the unit rate. So in 20 miles in 4 hours, the denominator is 4, so you would divide both the numerator and the denominator by 4, and you would get 5 miles in 1 hour, or 5 miles an hour. And that would be the unit rate. This looks like smiles, but it's really 5. How are we going to be using unit rate? We will be using it to compare better deals. Here we have 2 bottles of soda. We have a 2-liter bottle for $2.02, that's bottle A, and we have a 3-liter bottle for $2.79. So bottle B is bigger, but it costs a little bit more. So we're going to look at the unit rate and figure out what it cost per liter. And so the thing is, you have to remember it's going to be price per unit. So in this case, price per liter. So what you're going to write down to show your work will be 2.02 divided by 2, price per, and then over here we're going to write down 279 divided by 3. And if you remember, we need to divide the numerator and the denominator by 2 because we want to get it down to 1. And on this side, it's going to be divided by 3. So on the left-hand side, we have that this cost $1.01 per liter. And over here, it's going to be 93 cents per liter. So this one is the better deal. Over here we have a 6-pack of socks for $6.89 and a 4-pack of socks for $4.64. So let's go ahead and figure out which one is the better deal. Remember, it is price per unit. So we have $6.89 divided by 6, and then we have $4.64 divided by 4. So once again, in this case, the bigger pack, $1.15 is cheaper, so the 6-pack is going to be the better deal. It's not always this way. Sometimes, especially at those big box stores like BJ's and Costco, you might think. So like I was saying, sometimes those big box stores like BJ's and Costco will make it seem like that the bigger one is the better deal, but you really need to look at the unit rate and check out the shelf tags. We're going to talk about that tomorrow. Look on the website for your homework.